Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change profile picture to old one without losing likes. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at top left corner and your account's timeline will open up. Here, you just need to tap on the camera icon beside your profile picture and a bunch of options will appear. Simply tap on the Select Profile Picture feature and a new window will be displayed. You just need to swipe towards the Uploads tab and then choose an image from the images you've already uploaded on your account. After selecting it, tap on Save and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can change profile picture to old one without losing likes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.